That's my father's ringtone. Let me call.
This is my sister Deborah. Say hi, Deborah.
Hi, Gellin.
And Rebecca.
Gellin,
Look
Rebecca,
at that
say hi.
Check out that sexiness. So this is Rebecca 2 days before she graduates from high school.
She's turning 20 this year. November. Thank you.
My baby's turning.
And she's getting a haircut, and her hair's gonna look a miracle.
Yeah, what's going on, Rebecca? Talk to the camera. What's going on with the hair?
Yeah, so this is my
Is Julia up in Mike's face that she just totally forgot about your hair?
No, I was gonna wait for my. Yeah.
So it could be looking all fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh and.
It don't usually look like this.
Her beautiful legs.
I need a shave. You hardly have hair.
You hardly ever have. She's so pretty.
Gelly,
smile.
Rebecca,
I will pull this off of you. Smile.
Gelly, I am smiling.
Smile at the camera. I will pull this. I will smile.
Gelly, nasty.
Rebecca, Deborah, tell her to just.
Deborah's hair's done.